In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix File Explorer crashes in Windows 11. Fix today here, let's begin. First, we're going to check your display settings and install Windows updates. Click the Start menu, then Open Settings. On the left side, select System. Now click Display, look for display resolution, then make sure it is set to the recommended option. Sometimes incorrect display settings can cause File Explorer issues. Next, click Windows Update from the left panel. Click Check for Updates. If Windows finds any available updates, go ahead and install them. Once the updates are installed, restart your computer if Windows asks you to do so. Now let's reset File Explorer options and clear its cache. Click the search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. If needed, change the view by option to large icons so everything is easier to see. Now click File Explorer Options. Inside the File Explorer Options window, click Restore Defaults. Next, look for the drop-down labeled Open File Explorer 2. Then select this PC. Click Apply, then click OK. Now, open File Explorer Options again. Near the bottom of the window, click Clear to clear File Explorer History and Cache, then click OK. This helps fix crashes caused by corrupted File Explorer settings or damaged cache history. Next, let's run some Windows repair commands. Click the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, then select Run as administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now we're going to run the first command. Type SFC /scannow, then press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take several minutes depending on your system. Once that finishes, type the second command. Type DISM /online/cleanup-image/ScanHealth, then press Enter. Wait again for the scan to finish. Now type the third command. Type DISM /online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth, then press Enter. Allow the repair process to complete fully before moving on. Once all commands are finished, restart your computer. These commands repair corrupted or missing Windows system files that can cause File Explorer crashes in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now let's restart Windows Explorer itself. Click the search bar and type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer from the list. Right-click Windows Explorer, then select Restart. Wait a few seconds while your taskbar refreshes and Windows Explorer reloads. After that, check if File Explorer is working properly again without crashing. Go ahead and try it now. Let me know what works for you. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.